5, Katipunan Maria Eufemia Elida May, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, magna cum laude. Sponsor, Mrs. Lida D. Katipunan, Mother. Also the recipient of the Mayor Sam Sandulias and Aim Sandulian Paglunsod Academic Excellence Awardee. She also receives a Certificate of Achievement and Medallion for Academic Excellence Award from the Unified Student Financial Assistance System for Tertiary Education or UNIFAST. Once again, a big round of applause to our top one, Miss Katipunan Maria Eufemia Elida May. Thank you and congratulations once again to all our service, academic, and special awardees. A huge congratulations. One of the highlights of this year's commencement exercises is the recognition of our promising alumni. Through the years, Talisay City College has produced outstanding